Hello again, everyone. So we got another box here from bestbuy.com. This is a pre-order that I did about 3 months ago, so 2-3 months ago. And here we have the Best Buy exclusive 4K steelbook. There's the back of John Wick Chapter 4. So as you know, Keanu Reeves has been active in these movies. He's, oh, look at that. So it opens like that, and the back's like black and white. So really cool slipcover. And here's the front without the slipcover. There's the back. Ooh, sorry about that. Inside we have the digital code. Nice blue neon writing. That's the Blu-ray, and the red is the 4K. So a really awesome steelbook. I look forward to watching this. I haven't seen it in theaters. I waited till I bought it to watch it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
You're going to die. Maybe not.
Goodbye to you, my trusted friend.
A new day is dawning. New ideas, new rules, new management.
We've known each other since we were 9 or 10.
Who is this?
The Marquis de Gramont. Challenge him to single combat. Win or lose, it's a way out.
I don't sit at the table.
Your family does.
Please pray for me.